What's going on, everybody? This is Robert with Robert Saves History, and I am back to making videos and doing live streams. I have taken a break due to my stepmother's passing. I had to take some time to myself and really value life. So I have come back with a new series to my channel, and I will be doing product reviews on things that I buy. I will do a video for you guys firsthand showing you what they are and giving you guys my honest opinion. Now, some items that I will be receiving hopefully in the future will be paid sponsors for me to give my honest review for them giving me the product. So, without further ado, let's get started. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this is the Cainda aluminum alloy microscope holder. This is sold on Amazon, and this is only $21.99 plus tax. Of course, I will link the product in the description below. Um, This microscope has a adjustable lever that goes up and down, and it has a stopping point to where it doesn't move if you accidentally push down on it. It does hold um, it does hold the microscope by these two screws, and it doesn't move not one bit. It lays flat on the ground. When you get this in the box, it will be dismantled by two bolts right here that hold this part on, and this part right here is separate from this part right here, so it's in one nice good box. What's also amazing is it also comes with a very handy leather carrying case, and it fits. Once you dismantle it, it fits perfectly inside of it for your portable use. So you're probably asking, well, what happened? What if it doesn't fit my microscope? This right here will fit a microscope in a diameter of 1 to 1.4 inches. Um, and it's pretty much common for all portable microscopes. Now, this is my personal microscope that I use on some of my coin channels or coin streams and videos. It's amazing. When you purchase this on Amazon, it will be shipped from Amazon, but it's sold by Cainda. So you're paying Cainda, but it's actually shipping from an Amazon warehouse, which is an amazing thing. So you don't have to deal with um, when you're going to get it, who do I need to talk to, that kind of stuff. It is eligible for a 30-day refund, replacement, or return. And from Cainda, it is 12 months free part warranty and lifetime technical services. So check out the link in the description below for this item. I rate this a solid 9 out of 10. The reason why I did 9 out of 10 is because it's a little bulky. It is. It it will take up a little space on your desk. But if this is what you want, you can find a place to set this aside. This is the microscope holder for you. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to hit that like button, turn the notification bell on. Don't forget to subscribe, and let me know in the comments section down below if you find these videos helpful. Thank you so much, and we will see you on our next video. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you would like to make a monetary donation to help to support my channel, please click the link in the description below to my merch store and to my PayPal account. I have also linked a few links from Calico Metal Detecting Company to help you save money on your next adventure saving history. I would like to also thank each and every one of you for all of your support for my channel and for this community, and continue saving history.